I think Ramp is just growing so unbelievably quickly. Over the last year, we've just about doubled revenue. The fastest growing public software companies, for reference, expect and hope to grow something like 20 to 30% over the next year. And so the velocity that we are growing at, combined with the scale of the company, is part of what's getting investors so excited. But beyond it, I think the unusual part is Ramp is actually growing even faster this year and doing it while generating cash flow than we did last year. And so when you combine that last with the sheer scale of the market, there's over $2 trillion spent in the United States on corporate and small business cards, which is just one of our markets, and we're something like 1.5% of that market. It's hard not to get excited about the potential ahead.
You and your co-founder, Kareem, sat down together and you said, we want to try and create a unicorn company, which is $1 billion valuation, within 18 months. Why is that such an ambitious goal? But you manifested $1 billion company because you did it. Within 18 months, I think you were there. And with 2 years, you had $100 million in revenue run rate about?
That's exactly right. From 2 years, less than 2 years from incorporation, Ramp had been valued at not just $1 billion, but $1.5 billion. Within 2 years of the launch of the company, we surpassed over $100 million in revenue, and just a few years later, last month, we just passed over $1 billion in revenue.